Nelson High School in the Northwest ISD. You will also need the following ingredients: 1/4 cup of lima beans, drained, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of fat-free shredded mozzarella cheese, half a slice of turkey bacon, a pinch of seasoned salt, a pinch of garlic powder, 6 brown bite-sized tortilla chips, 4 medium fresh baby carrots.
The first step is to open the can of lima beans and drain them, only with adult permission. Put the lima beans in a bowl and microwave for 30 seconds. Wait 15 seconds before removing them from the microwave with an oven mitt.
After you finish the first step, add water to the lima beans and mash them.
Then microwave the turkey bacon for 30 to 45 seconds. Before removing from the microwave, wait 15 seconds.
Tear the bacon into tiny pieces and mix it into the beans.
Add seasonings and cheese to the bowl and mix until well combined. Get 6 tortilla chips and 4 carrots to dip into the beans and enjoy.